endzhaku ka ku dlawa hi ndlela ya tihanyi ka Elvis Nyathi, ndyangu wa yena wu balekile ekaya ra vona eDiepsloot hi ku chava ku hlaseriwa. Nyathi u biwile na ku tlhela a hisiwa hi ntlawa wa vaaki lowu n'wi hehlaka leswaku i laha tikweni swi nga ri enawini. Va EFF a va endzele ndyangu namuntlha.
As the EFF, we are here to pay our respects. We are here to mourn with the widow and the family. And it is unfortunate because there are occasions as a political party where you make predictions and analysis in terms of what will happen politically, just reading a situation. We read the situation in Soweto when an elderly man's house was raided. We read the situation in Alexandra, where people's houses are being hijacked and resold and sold again on a market by people who are targeting those they call foreigners in our country.
Baba bisike swinene hi xiyimo lexi.
Sikhathazekile nje kabuhlungu ngento eyenzekile ngoba isimo lesi sasilindele ukuthi sishiwe umntwana kanjena ngenxa yobugebengu kubuhlungu kakhulu somndeni. Asazi ukuthi sithini ngezimpi nezinto ezenzekayo la zobugebengu.
Loko swa hetetano maphorisa baya emahlweni va lavisisa mhangu leyi.